boat sat at the shore. It hadn't been there a moment ago. Inside it, two tiny figures, sitting still. A girl with blonde curls, a boy clutching a stuffed bear. They were soaking wet, dripping, smiling. Their eyes were open, but they weren't right. They were glassy, dead. The girl raised her hand and pointed to the water. He looked and saw the car, submerged, twisted, crushed like a tin can under black glass, headlights flickering weakly beneath the surface. Inside, he saw his own hand on the steering wheel, blood on his temple. The girl's hand pressed to the window, then impact.